Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you can make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today we're diving into the world of robot vacuums, comparing the eufy RoboVac 11S Max on my left and the Lefant M210 on my right. These little cleaning minions are ready to battle it out for the top spot in your home. So grab some popcorn, sit back, and let's get this showdown started. First up, let's talk about the moolah. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max comes in at $249, while the Lefant M210 is a more wallet-friendly $199. That's a $50 difference, folks. With Lefant, you could afford a nice dinner or a year's supply of socks. So if you're a penny pincher or just love a good bargain, Lefant is already making some noise. Now, let's talk design and size. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max is a slim 2.85 inches tall, which is about the height of your average slice of New York cheesecake. It's sleek, it's quiet, and it won't wake up the baby or the cat. The Lefant M210, on the other hand, is slightly taller at 2.99 inches and sports an 11-inch diameter. It might need to duck a bit more under your furniture, but hey, it's still nimble enough to clean those hard-to-reach places. Think of it as the gymnast of robot vacuums. When it comes to cleaning performance, we want power, people. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max has BoostIQ technology, which sounds like it could double as a superhero's secret weapon. It automatically cranks up the suction power when needed, ensuring your floors are spotless. The Lefant M210, however, boasts a unique brushless suction port that's great for picking up pet hair without turning into a fur ball itself. Plus, it has 6 cleaning modes. Sykes! That's more modes than some of us have moods in a day. Battery life is crucial. Nobody wants their robot vacuum to quit halfway through the job. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max runs up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors, which is like a marathon in robot vacuum terms. But hold your horses. The Lefant M210 takes the cake with a whopping 120 minutes of runtime in low suction mode. That's 2 full episodes of your favorite TV show, folks. Smart features are where things get really interesting. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max comes with a remote control and some basic sensors to dodge obstacles. It's like the reliable old-school butler of robot vacuums. The Lefant M210, however, is the tech-savvy millennial of the bunch. With Smart App and voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, you can schedule cleanings, adjust suction power, and even steer it like a remote-controlled car. Plus, it has upgraded Free Move Technology 2.0 for better obstacle detection. It's practically ready to enroll in a self-driving car course. Reviewers generally find the eufy RoboVac 11S Max to be a durable, reliable, and powerful vacuum, although it lacks advanced features like mapping and AI. Meanwhile, the Lefant M210 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and smart features, making it a strong contender especially for pet owners and tech enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max is like the dependable, quiet friend who always gets the job done, while the Lefant M210 is the tech-savvy, energetic buddy who loves to show off their latest gadgets. Both have their strengths, and the choice ultimately comes down to what you value more: price, smart features, or sheer cleaning power. Let us know in the comments which one you're rooting for. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.